Create a pump datasheet can be just like 1, 2, 3. 1. Open this magic Excel workbook. 2. Click buttons to select your simulation software and the pump to report. 3. A datasheet is ready. In this video, I will show you how quickly you can create a pump datasheet from UniSim, Hysys, and ProMax. Let's duplicate the blank table first. To import Hysys, simply click the button, Yes, select the pump you would like to report. You have the options to choose either English or metric unit. After clicking OK, the pump datasheet is ready. UniSim is the same way. Click the button, Yes, select the pump, and OK. The datasheet for UniSim is ready. ProMax is the same way too. Click the button, Yes, select the pump, and choose metric unit. OK. The datasheet for ProMax is ready. Thanks for watching this video. More useful tools can be found at engineeringtoolbox.net.